This is Kelsey, and today I'm going to be giving her an influencer type makeup. This is something I would do on a celebrity, for an interview, or just for an outing. So I started with the Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. Then I just put a little bit of the blonde from Anastasia Beverly Hills in her eyebrow. I used my Born This Way Too Faced concealer on her eyelids. Now I'm using the Makeup by Mario palette. I love this palette. And I am using one of the medium shades, and I am starting to contour her eye. I'm putting just a little bit of a muted shimmer on top of her eye and adding some brown eyeliner. Putting the lashes on and then going back over top with that brown eyeliner just to redefine things and make it really pop. And this is what the eyes look like before I put my foundation on. I'm using MAC Studio Fix in NC13 and NC30, and I just do a little mixture. I'm going for more full coverage, so you can see me just patting that into the skin. And I work this into the skin for probably about 5-7 minutes. Just pushing that into the skin, bringing it all the way down the neck. Once I have one area covered, I might pick up a little bit more just to add a little bit more coverage, but I'm really dabbing. So this is the concealer shade Swan by Too Faced. This is the Born This Way, and I am putting this under her eyes, down her nose, and just on the corner of her lips. I worked that into her skin, and now I'm just using the Laura Mercier to set. Under her eyes, I'm using Woodwinked by MAC. I'm just a little tiny fluffy brush, and I am just putting that all the way into the corner of her eyes as well. So now we contour. I'm using the Makeup by Mario contour stick with his brush, and I'm just making sure that I blend this up and out and blend it in really well. And make sure you're blending this all the way up into the hairline and about halfway down the cheek, and just keep blending until it melts into your skin. I also did a nose contour, which I love on her. And now I'm just setting everything with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. Okay, so for blush, this is Ecstasy from Charlotte Tilbury. And you're going to take this right up underneath your concealer, underneath your eye. Do you see how I'm kind of putting that really high up on her face? So now we really gently highlight all the high points of her face. Nose, tear duct, brow bone, top points of her cheek. Add a little bit of a muted lipstick, liner, and gloss, and we're all done. She had her hair styled by Jacqueline, and she did this amazing ponytail, which I'm obsessed with. Drop any comments below. Thanks!